Vanakkam. The second topic in unit number 2. In unit number 2, the first topic is primary market. We had a thorough discussions in the various slides under various headings. The primary market is a place where the issuer raising fresh capital from the investors through issue of securities. We are all aware the securities are not like a physical assets. It will be kept it in the locker and used it when it is necessary. It's a financial asset. It is more or less treated as a currency. How the currency get value more and more when circulate among the public more and more. Same way, securities has to be circulate more and more, and then only that securities will get its value, through which companies get good market value that leads to in so many number of benefits companies in the future. So to make it the liquidity of the securities, there is one more market is required. That market is secondary market. So secondary market is a market. First of all, it provides liquidity to those investments which is made by the investor in company under the heading of fresh capital. How it is made? It is through the trading and settlement of stock exchanges. Exactly, and lightly saying, secondary market is a place where there is a further buying and selling is happening outside the company, which is called it as secondary market. An active secondary market promotes the growth of the primary market and capital formation. Since the investors in the primary market are assured of a continuous market where they have an option to liquidate their investments. So liquidity is the prime target of secondary market. The second important thing is, whereas in primary market, there is a direct relation between the issuer and the investor, whereas in secondary market, no. Reason why it is very simple. Technically speaking, in primary market is also the knowing of each other is, yes, it's open, but it is not mean that all the investor was known by that particular company. Practically it is not, but all the addresses of the people and so many number of things, I think possibly it is happened. Whereas in secondary market, definitely it is not. There is no contact between issuer and investors. Why it is mean? It is a very vast market. Mostly the dealings are happening in outside the stock exchanges via cable. Due to the reason, issuer definitely not known who is going to be buy and who is going to be sell, and more probably it is saying that market is outside the company. When outside the company itself may not be possible to control over the buying and the selling, even the who are all going to buy and who are all going to be sell. So this is the next one about the secondary market. How the secondary market performing its activities, we should understand. Being an investor, first one is over the counter. What is the over the counter? And second one is exchange traded market. What is the over the counter market? Over the counter market is a very old market. It's a very old system. It's old tradition where the buyer and seller meet and exchange their shares bilaterally and negotiated between two, which means Even company does not know who is the buyer, who is the seller, and stock exchanges may not know who is the buyer and the seller, whether that person is really is available or not. It means it's living or non-living thing. It is all between the two persons. Any issues is coming that can be sorted out by only these two person, not coming to the forum. So imagine that, like in India, there is so much of the vast places where the buyer and the seller meet together. Yes, is possible only within the particular limitation, particular circle. If it is Mumbai, only Mumbai. If it is Chennai, only Chennai. If it is Coimbatore, only Coimbatore. If it is Tirunelveli, it is only Tirunelveli. But a person in Tirunelveli cannot meet a person in Chennai, and Chennai person may not meet the person in Delhi, and the Delhi person may not meet the person in Ahmedabad, and Ahmedabad person may not meet in the Calcutta. So what is happening mean, again it is a closed transaction. When the transactions are closed means there is a lot of chance and choices about the misbehaving the market, which means to be nature prices quoted in the secondary market may not be right, persons involved in the market may not be available, may not alive. Even the dead person may be acted as a trading member. So it is making a lot of problems. And also, most of the investor not having the faith on the transaction happening in the secondary market. To avoid that one, the secondary market is introduced the exchange traded market. This is the trade market where everything is happening in open place. It is happening in open place. How it is happening in open place? Through the stock exchanges. The government of India and SEBI, they give the permission to open the more number of stock exchanges other than the Bombay, Chennai, previously it was Madras, Calcutta and Delhi. And apart from these four places, more regional centers are opened by government of India and SEBI, through which the trades are what we call to say encouraged to do the trading with the more number of investor. While this exchange traded mean everybody will come together and placed in a one particular place, and the both the buyer, that mean investor, can openly asking the bid against the seller price. So where there will be the real marketing technique will be applied. That mean really the price is going to be fixed by market driven forces. But there is a lot of changes are happening at the time of introduction of electronic trading, and that will be discussed in the next point. So there is a two type of secondary market operate today. Still it is available, it is permitted by government of India. One is over the counter market, which is called as the OTC exchange of India, and next one is their exchange traded market. All the stock exchanges are permitted to make it a trading of the securities, that is called exchange traded market. So how the exchanges, or how the exchanges permitting the companies to come up with the security and the trade activities? Two ways. One is listed securities, another is a permitted securities. Listed securities mean where the company of issuer will directly come and meet the stock exchanges and enter an agreement with the stock exchanges. Once the agreement is get over, then that company share is permitted to make it the trading in the particular market, which is called listed securities. Once the agreement means, naturally there will be a rule, there is a regulation, there is some upcomings. So all the things should come completed by particular company, and then only that company will permit will got the permission from the exchange to do the trading in the market. So why should the company has to go to the securities market is always a very nominal question raised in mind of everybody. The main reason the company is, I think we have studied about this concept in the accounting. It's a company is a non-personal company, and also it's a going concern. So what is meant by going concern? The companies will be ever and ever and ever will do its business. In those cases, in future, the company needs some amount of capital, some amount of debt, some amount of the contracts and all. These are all possible once the company is having its securities in the particular stock exchange. Everything will be happening as such. So because of the reason, every company interested to be a part of the any one stock exchanges across the India. The second type of securities are permitted securities. Here, that securities is permitted to do the trading, but it is not having the agreement with a particular stock exchange. It is little bit lesser than the listed securities. That the reason why maybe some of the conditions laid down by securities exchange or the stock exchange may not be fulfilled by that particular company. So because of the reason, at the initial stage, the companies are permitted to do the trading based on the performance. Then the SEBI may ask the particular company, yes, now you are eligible, you come and enter a contract with the particular stock exchange and do the business. That will be in a later stage. So in a stock market, in a stock exchanges, in a secondary market, there are two type of securities are trading in the market. That is under the conditional format and a non-conditional format. Listed securities are always protective. Listed securities are always good. Listed securities are always bringing all the investor happiness to the public. Permitted securities do, but it is not that much with the listed securities. And how the system is performing in secondary market means there is a two type of system today is performing. One is previous, now it is different. One is the first primarily, it was do it in the outcry. What is mean by outcry? I think you people are all having experience of going to the fish market, or people are having the an experience of going to the weekly Sundays. So what happening there? All the traders are there, all the people are across there, everybody shouting. That means one is asking, another one is asking, another one asking. I think sometime you may not be know you are asking with the particular trader, but someone is giving the answer. You based on that one, you will decide the I'm going to buy and so such a kind of the a phenomena atmosphere is there in the particular market. That is called outcry system, which means everybody who is wish to want to buy, they will be presented on behalf of the seller. Somebody is there, that's called broker, sub broker, floor broker. So many number of people are there. There will be presented. So the representatives of the investor, representative of the issuer, representative of the seller, all everybody is presented. Whomever want, they will be raising the hands, shouting the people, quote the price, and finally they will be having the contract that's called sacha book, and the sacha book or kata book, they will be writing the contract and all. Then that note will be sent to the company. So such way how the trading was practiced in the olden days. But there is days are gone, and the technology is coming into the replacing the outright system. Today the trading is not happening such that the trading is happening like in a way of the electronically trading, which means simultaneously across India, dynamically the market is performing. Everybody can see in the present of the system, using the computer, using the internet, using the NSE platform and BSE platform. It make more enjoyable in the trading in the market, and also it bring the liveliness in the stock market. I hope this introduction is provide an enlightened you regarding about what is secondary market and what is liquidity, and what is mean by over the counter, what is mean by exchange traded market, listed securities, permitted securities, outcry system, and electronic trading. Nandri.